The day begins quietly. From the outside, there's little to suggest what's happening within. But once inside, the environment changes. This is the engine room, a controlled habitat where precision determines survival. Here, Irwin works methodically, preparing a critical component, the fuel injector. Each injector is tested individually, its behavior closely observed. Even the smallest irregularity can disrupt the balance of the system. Only after it proves reliable is it introduced into the engine. In this environment, nothing is assumed. Everything is verified. Just beyond this space, the sound grows louder. Clayton prepares the next stage, adjusting the indexable tool used to machine the engine cases. Each insert has a defined lifespan. When wear appears, it's replaced, not out of caution, but necessity. Fresh inserts ensure clean cuts, accurate dimensions, and a surface finish that allows the engine to perform as intended. Different processes, different environments, all working toward the same outcome. This is the work that happens before the engine ever runs, and this is only the beginning of the day. Nearby, the process moves in reverse. Josh begins disassembly, carefully separating components. Each part tells a story. As the camshafts come free, the engine gives up its timing, the rhythm that once brought it to life. It's ready to move on. With the engine work complete on a 1999 Porsche 911 Carrera, a 996, attention shifts beneath the car. Raised from the ground, the chassis waits, exposed and ready for what comes next. The transmission is cleaned and inspected, a final check before rejoining the system. Jay guides it into position, aligning weight and geometry with measured precision. It isn't the final step, but it is a necessary one. In this environment, progress is never rushed, and every step builds toward the same goal. As the shop fades from view, the work doesn't end. It simply waits for the next day to begin.
I'm Philip, thanks for watching. If you want to check out another video, check it out right there.